Permanent Secretary, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, members of the press, Bulavanaka, and very good morning to all of you. It's an absolute pleasure to be here this morning. This is the moment that we've been waiting for to present the first grant to the recipients of the Young Entrepreneurship Scheme, or YES. As you all know, ladies and gentlemen, the YES is a government initiative that aims to empower Fijians and our Fijian youth. And a budget of $2 million was allocated for the scheme in the 2017-2018 financial year for grants of up to $20,000 to be provided to young entrepreneurs between the ages of 18 and 30. Now, the Fijian government believes in youth empowerment through their active participation in economic activities. And this will harness the ingenuity and the creativity of these youth and will help government in building a modern, knowledge-based society. Investing in the future generations of our country is a smart investment by the Fijian government, as it is not only a forward-looking thing, but also provides an opportunity for our youth to actively participate in the growth of our economy. Through these such programs and initiatives, we are putting our faith in the young people of our country. We're giving recognition to their skills, and many of these youth are YES applicants or budding young entrepreneurs. The youth have learned the basic business fundamentals and the development of marketing and business plans. The training is to enable the youth entrepreneurs to have a better understanding of business planning and also to apply for the YES grant. Today we'll be handing over grants to 3 grant recipients of the scheme, namely Atunaisa Rainima, Siwan Narayan, and Adeline Tutu. These recipients, ladies and gentlemen, have satisfactorily met the requirements for the funding, such as having innovative and unique business ideas which are commercially viable and will be sustainable. Now, if I could just mention them individually, Mr. Atunaisa Rainima will receive a check of $20,000 to start a grass-cutting, landscaping and biogas business, which will be a byproduct of the actual grass that he cuts. Mr. Siwan Narayan will also receive a check of $18,251 to start tiny houses construction in rural areas. And Ms. Adeline Tutu will receive a check of $20,000 for her online fitness and training venture. Ladies and gentlemen, at this juncture, I also want to say congratulations to all 3 of you for successfully meeting all the requirements under the scheme, and wish you all the best in your business endeavors. I also at this time encourage budding entrepreneurs to apply for the YES funding and to work with government in building a modern, knowledge-based society. And to all the young people in the country, this is not limited to one particular sector. It can be any sector that you're involved in. And don't think that you're not innovative. You are innovative. The government has placed its faith and trust in the youth of Fiji. And please apply and go through the particular program. And like the Permanent Secretary mentioned a little earlier, it's not just about handing over the check and then we forget about them. We don't. This is an ongoing program. You know, this is a start, and it's historical. You are the first 3 recipients. But I wish you well, and I want to say something that you probably should remember. One of the biggest companies in the world, Coca-Cola, only sold 1,000 bottles in its first year, and was being sold at 5 cents. Today it's worth $2 billion a year. So think big, because you can do it. And to all the young people that are interested, please come see us with your new ideas. And we have a fantastic bunch of people who will sit and actually take you through the entire program. So with those few words, thank you very much. I wish you all well. And please remember, you know, this is a place that you are free to come and go as you please to get any advice or anything that you need with respect to assistance. Thank you very much. Vinaka.
And this is part of Fijian's government's vision also. And her business venture is to develop a fit meal programs.
MCD champion.